Let's say you are busy working in Microsoft Excel and everything is going just fine until something goes wrong and there is an error and you're trying to figure out what the heck have I done. Let's have a look at some of the error codes that you are most commonly going to find working in Excel. The first one looks like this. It's a whole lot of hash symbols. Okay, they're not hashtags, they're hash symbols. Let's see what the problem could be before you start freaking out and go all crybaby on me. Okay, here we go. If we take a look at the video, have a look and see. All you need to do is resize the column width. The reason for the hash symbols is that the column is too narrow to display all the numbers, and so that's why the hash symbols are being displayed. So just resize the width of the column. Problem solved. Here's another one called name. Now before you start thinking like, oh, this is just the worst thing ever, what do I do now? Let's have a look and see what that actually means. Okay, if we take a look at this error, name, it says the formula contains unrecognized text, and you can see we're trying to add these three cells up using a sum function. But if you look very carefully in the formula bar, you will see that it says equals sum A1 to A3. However, sum is incorrectly spelt. That is a problem. So what should we do? Just fix the spelling error of sum. Okay, have a look. SUMM, take away the extra M. That looks a bit better. Problem solved. The next one that you will find is actually quite self-explanatory, and any maths teacher will tell you that this is what it means. You cannot divide by 0. That's not allowed. It's just not allowed to happen. So you will see here we have a test out of, and that is empty. We have my mark 45, and then a function that we were trying to calculate our percentage, but you'll see that there is a problem. It's dividing by 0. So before you are in a stage of denial, let us have a look and see how do we fix this. Right, so let's see here. It tells you the formula or function used is dividing by 0. Well, that's not going to help. And if you have a look why, I'll just pause here very quickly. We have B3 divided by B1. Here is B3, that is your mark for a test that you did, and B1 is currently empty. So that is the problem right there. We need to fix that. So either put something in there or don't use that function. Okay, or that formula, I should say. And there you go. Problem solved. We have now put some information in B1. We now have a working formula. You'll also see if we put a 0, if we type a 0 in there, again, you're going to get the same problem. You cannot divide by 0. And that's all that the div/0 actually means. Okay, so when you see this one, the hash symbol and ref, I know you're thinking of ref. I think that might be a bit lame, but I'm going to leave it in here. But yes, it actually means reference. There is something that is incorrectly referenced. Now I want to show you what this actually means. Here we have three cells, A1, B1 and C1. In this cell we're working out the sum of A1, B1 and C1. Now what would happen if one of those references was removed or deleted? For example, if we deleted one of the columns, what would happen? Let's have a look. So here I'm going to delete column B, so then the B1 reference is going to be messed up. Now look what happens. Now I've got an error. Why do I have an error? Let's have a look. Because it's looking at A1, B1 is now there because it's shifted over from C, and C1 is no longer here because it no longer exists, but there was a reference there. And so Excel is trying to figure out what it is supposed to do. There is an illegal reference, okay, and we need to either remove that reference or add in something in C1. So I'll show you now. I think I go and do it there, click, and I just remove the offending reference, and then my sum function then works correctly. Okay, so again, you'll need to check and see, is it the reference that is incorrect and you must just remove it, or is it something that you still need to add in? Another one is value. Now, value this is actually a tricky one because it could mean different things to different people depending on what it is you've done in Excel. Have a look at this example. I have 45, the number 45 here. I have 75m here, a value, and then total meters. So it's obviously that I'm trying to add up A1 and A2. You can see here A1 plus A2, A1 plus A2. And it's not going to work because this value, it doesn't work because it's a 7, a 5, and the letter M. That's not going to work. That you can't add 75M. It has to be 75. We take away the M. So if we look at the video, there it is. It tells you a value used in the formula is of the wrong data type, and we go and we have to, okay, so A2, there's obviously something wrong in A2. There's the letter M which should not be there. We take the letter M away and my function will then work correctly. Fantastic. Those are the basic error messages that you're going to find in Microsoft Excel. If you come across any others, send me an email and I'll be happy to help you out.